From the heartbeat of voices and the rhythm of ideas, VIT Community Radio brings you a special offering on International Mother Earth Day. A song that whispers through the winds and echoes through the mountains. Nurtured in Nature by Raj Kishore Sahu from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, IoT, VIT Vellore. Tune in and let the words remind us of the earth we walk upon, the silence we often ignore, and the care she quietly asks for. Stay with us as music meets meaning. Only on VIT Community Radio 90.8.
Growing up in the lap of the rising sun, accompanied by a gentle breeze, have given me experiences unforgettable amidst those mountains and yellowish trees.
Mother Nature has kept my secrets safe. Some of them suspiciously divine. Every time I go back to her, I find myself frozen in time.
The way she stares at me through her beautiful yet invisible eyes gives me a sense of my true existence, away from the material world of cheat and disguise. In case someday in your so modern life you feel like you're falling out, just go out there and spend some hours. Believe me, she will clear your every doubt. I know in a few years of time there will be buildings standing there. We will chop off that forest and throw off those mountains, 'cause that's a part of our daily affair. But she'll still be there, although buried deep, staring through those same invisible eyes, staring